All right, welcome back to the Good Morning Ninja show. And yes, for those now who don't do with me from the beginning, I appreciate you now because it is just getting better, as we call them. From our top stories, we now contribute to the newspaper review we just get with Ezugu Chukudi. Yes, and I believe you've been moved by all the papers and waiting there on top there. I promised you some very, very interesting interview. And we're going to be having that right now. Yes, I'm going to talk to billionaire Prince White, a comedian and a very, very special guy, exceptional comedian at that sort. And a lot of times people know they understand how these guys, they create stuff and keep it running as a trend. Well, we'll go talk to this very, very talented gentleman, and when we check out in video, so you go know who I talk about. Maybe we see what he gets. So I believe we can get a full understanding of what is going on here. I believe you get the point. Yes, we're speaking to the man himself who is behind such an amazing performance. Well, Prince White, how are you, sir? How you doing?
Brother, all right.
Correct. So, so we usually start our interviews with asking our guests whether we like to know honestly how you are doing. We know say one pandemic day, a lot of things don't change. We like to know honestly how are you really with all the new updates in life now.
My brother, what man go do now? This one now waiting nature carry come per se. Yes. So the most important thing now, when nature don't carry most of these things come like this, for we to get the ability to adjust towards them, follow them as they come.
Yeah.
You understand? So normally I do all right, and though the thing change a whole lot, as it take come, you shake people leg well. I swear, you shake my own leg too. But as a billionaire, we always have a way around it. You get the point now?
I like that. I get the point well. I get the point. As a billionaire, I want to ask you, say, okay, this one when you call yourself billionaire Prince White, which means say the money too much, or you just decide to let people know, say, if you're a billionaire, you're a billionaire. You can't hide it. Is that the reason why the name is there?
You said you asked the question, you still answer.
So which one?
Yes. The money too much. And they count in billions.
Makes sense.
And both billions in pounds and dollars.
Okay.
Then secondly, now God make them like that. Then why are they always do them like this? We say, you get people who I want to make them understand, say, no be more say the thing will reflect for your account, will make you a billionaire. Billionaire, they come from head, it's a mindset. But the way you think, that's how you go see him, and that's how you go be. You get Jeff Bezos, who be my billionaire friend, all them Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates. Then they sit down, reason up, say, person like Warren Buffett, if he be the richest man on earth, that means me, I feel be on. Then come sit down and think, say, okay. What thing I go do to become this thing where this guy be? It started from the mind.
Yeah.
Then create them from the mind first. Say, okay, let me see how we will take solve one or two problems. Because the first step of being a billionaire, when he translate, for him to translate into money and wealth, and for you to first think of how you will take solve problem for society.
Okay.
If you go fit reason and say, okay, something is lacking somewhere, how we take do and make it help the poor masses, make it help everybody. Because you say God said, will first bring you idea, bring you ideology where you go take, bring up one particular business, we will solve problems for society. And what all these men use as their principle. And today, all their products are common product, and you must have them. If you don't get them, nothing will move for you. You must use Facebook. You must use Microsoft. You must use computer, and a generational wealth. Not be something where we say come today, you go tomorrow. Generational mindset now I want to create. And now waiting they guide me. You understand? Will make me create so many things. Even my content till tomorrow, till 10 years time, till next generation, people will watch and say, this content strong, and they teach lesson. Now waiting they guide me. You get, even if I bring up something now, will make sense. I must bring them up in the fact that you say, even if I don't come out, my children, go still there. They enjoy what I create. Now the attitude of billionaires, now the way billionaires they think.
They think.
You
This is the
understand?
good
Now
thing.
make I always step.
Yeah,
Now make I always step. Say make them learn how to up their game. That open game, don't be say make you go thief or make you start to do yahoo yahoo. That open game now make you reason, say how I want to change the world in my own style. You notice say when you change the world in your own style, even when you don't go, people go see they hear your name.
They go still remember
So
you.
Yeah, people will remember you.
This thing where you talk so now very, very, very deep things you yarn. So because people go they think and say, I want to be billionaire, I want to be billionaire. No, say now from mind they start. And with this explanation where you give, so I believe say people don't understand them as it be. And that also brings me to the conversation. The next question I go ask you, looking at this character where you they put for your skits now. As you don't talk say now from mind they start. What can make you even think up this character and what make you believe say now this way you want to portray yourself for the society? What thing start them for you?
Okay, my brother, I would appreciate it if you you ask me no intelligent question because I will answer you with wisdom.
Oh yeah, correct.
You understand? Because if you expect intelligent answer, you don't go get an.
Okay.
Now wisdom answer.
Give us the wisdom answer.
You get to the point now.
I deal with you. I get the point.
So, first of all, my full names na Emmanuel Chidera Oliver White Uchebu. Me, I come from an average home, average Jewish home. You get. Now me be the only child of my parents. So, I don't hustle for this career for a long time. I don't push. I don't define where God will take bless me, make it announce me just to the world. Say, okay, and this thing now where the world takes having me.
Yeah.
I don't shoot different type of skits. I don't do police. I don't do doctor. I the art film. Still, all those why I the push am. I the pray say God, I beg. I need one image, one personality where people take sabi me. Because I don't look up to so many comedians for both Instagram, Facebook, both foreign comedians. They don't create a particular image where people take sabi them.
Yes.
So all this while, when I pray, say God, I beg, if I get just one, go there enough for me. I go use them, explore so many things. So the thing done the road. I they try so many things. They put on both MC and they do, you know. Nothing what I need to do when it comes to this entertainment. I even sing self-joy. I they go church, I they sing, I they do stand-up comedy. Back then for where where make me what I be today. So I don't they say which kind of thing this one self. So on a very good day, you get what thing happen, that one a personal matter.
Okay.
I just say, okay, let me try out something. Because in my field of master of ceremony, I they always try to put a touch of class, make it classy. People normally, if I come out where others they will not say, okay, person come out, because I'm the kind of person who I believe in making something, make it look nice. Not make it see for my skits. My skits, if you know nice, let it come out. So
you
package well. Yes, the packaging must make sense. So then what now they do say if I they go events, even if I don't get clothes where I go wear on my own, I feel call my designer at that time, my friend Bafok, my very good friend. I'll call him that time and say, guy, I need clothes. If you don't get the one we don't do, I tell him, say that one we wear the right day, give me I won't wear them. You understand? So now so they do. One day I decide, say, okay, this MC thing what they do, why I know go down, bring out one clip, like to advertise say I be professional MC.
Yeah. So
I come that particular period, two of my friends, British pastors, na comedians, they get one hotel where they come rent for that time they enter from Lagos. So me and them come the night come 4. I said, okay, instead of me to go back my house, it don't late already, and even transfer money no day. So why I go even the go house when I get hotel? I said, okay, make I come sleep with them for hotel. So as I sleep with them for that hotel that night, the next morning, early morning, and they come out. So room just be empty.
Yeah, you did there by yourself.
I can't call this my producer. Mankind. Come call am say, guy, since this room dey empty now, before you go expire by 12, why we no shoot one something? Make it just say na MC commercial. There, I make arrangements, bring suit, bring cap, bring watch, everything. That time billionaire something never start. So I think he come hotel, set the camera, he place the cloth, I think will be. I put up right up, you know, MC right up, blah blah blah, you know, voice over, you get. So as the thing they play, in camera they move, you know, and they enter into character, they wear clothes, you know. And so we take to the first episode. Through one, people like her. Say, Omo, this is your MC thing, don't take her next level. I say, that means I got to do them again. I come wait for like some period of time. Say, I shoot another one. We cut long story short, waiting transfer for hotel, not waiting we're going to talk now. But last, the thing come frustrate me. I wasn't able to shoot the thing again. Meanwhile, my producer had already the road they come. So waiting man go do. I say make him they come, no wahala. I say reach hotel, we come sit down. Me, I don't vex already. I don't provoke. Say waiting I'm supposed to do that, I don't come do them again. So where we come the reason. I just say make it open camera. Now open camera. Say put them for my face. Put spotlight, now put them. Now I just start to talk. I start to talk how I take Don Jazzy for Ikoyi Bridge, how I take Big Tunde North, how Linda Cage, I take help am, support am, do you know those kind of things? Brag. Like, you know when man don't frustrate, so you just want to do something.
Just want to do something sharp, man, don't be like saying not do.
You get the point of that? So I don't do them. We go record finish, 9 couple and go. We don't do now. After like 3-4 weeks, you don't edit that Don Jazzy own and Tunde North own. Just something trigger them. 9 comments. Say Prince White. Say get wetin you send for me now. I say wetin be that? Because me say I don't even come on
mind. You don't forget say you do that thing.
I don't forget. Me, I just focus say make I find another thing. You say this one why they even they ignore. I so God they bless person. Most of the little things wey person they ignore. That thing
first. You take shine.
So I say send that for me. I watch this thing, I laugh. I say see me. Which kind of thing? My brother. So that the encouragement will they give me, both film tricks, one other, because we did 3 start this thing. That one come from me say, billionaire. If I have to be billionaire, I don't know what they talk. This one makes sense. So post them. That's why I post them for Facebook. That time I never even too active for Instagram based on content. So I post them on Facebook. The first post get 6 point something K views.
Views already.
I said this one work. Now so I just, you know, when something don't motivate you, I shoot the second one. Talk about how I take put money for First Bank. You know, if I come on my money for First Bank, say their logo will change from horse to scorpion. I just as a poster, that one to enter. Even now my friend, Yellow Mouth, one of my guys for that time, now he call me say billionaire. Say this thing where they do. Why you know they caption? Because I never even they put myself as billionaire Prince White. I've been call myself Prince White as Prince I do this early stage of the interview. Because now interview session. So now he call me and say, guy, say make I change this my captions. Make I write and say billionaire Prince White does this. Billionaire Prince White does this. I got this as
you register say you be billionaire Prince White.
So I can't go back to all other posts because I don't do like 5 videos already. The attention on they come. So I can't go back, can't recaption all of them. So billionaire Prince White does this. Billionaire Prince White does this. When I saw everything take start, everybody start to call me billionaire.
It makes sense. It makes sense. Say at least this whole journey has to be like this. You fit trace some to the present time. We'll go play one of your videos again. Make people see as this thing where you talk and waiting billionaire Prince White get to offer. You know, maybe we check out another video of you. Then we will come back to wrap this up. So we get the point. We get the point. Okay, now looking at the way you create your content, we know that it's a big task right now. A lot of people, they create content. People, they try to put out things. You just share your story, how all these things they start. You know how it come about. Now, moving forward, serving your followers, knowing say everybody they expect to make you they drop content every time. How the pressure be and how you they take the control am now? Sure, you get other team members where they work with you to create content, or how it they be for you, the way they bring out content now?
Yeah, I know they're under pressure to drop content. First of all, because the way what they build the character, and a character of a young, wealthy Igbo man.
Mm-hmm.
Now anything we billionaire do, now man we get money, not get mouth.
Yes.
So if you like, no see man we get money for 2 months. Anytime when come out, in fine, it makes sense. You understand? You get the point.
I get the point.
So, I know they're under pressure to come. They make say now back to back. Even if God wants, maybe they come back to back, no problem. But if not, you understand. So what do you say? Yeah, I get a couple of people who I work with. In fact, now them be the best team for the world. Then they make the work, make it look like say it makes sense for the eyes of the people. Because my management team and my guys, because I'm the kind of person who say I believe in partnership. Let's work together. Yeah. Let's move this together. It's not about me. It's not about Billionaire Prince White. It's about the thing where we want to give out to the world. Not even about me. Because even me, sir, they join a big past me. The team big past me as a whole. So now everybody will come together, make we do this thing, make it work. So I get my people will be saying they're my back as my team, as my management, so that we will put some kind of things where my head no reach, and go call me to notice, say, okay, Baba, see this one. I will say, okay, fine. So long as the thing good, the thing will come out outside, and I go like that. And me as I do like this, sometimes the inspiration they come. And when it come like that, heavy like that, immediately we go knock them, drop them, and it will make sense. People go like them. So stories they come from the inspiration of Holy Spirit.
Yeah.
Stories they come from my team. Stories they come from even what they inspire me now how to just create positive influence. You understand? The society, the poor people. When I look at them, I be like, okay, what's be this thing where people they talk about poor people. They come down and they study people. They study the poverty mindset. Yeah. They try to exchange them with the billionaires mindset. Try to make things the opposite of what people no expect them to be. The normal life, where would they live? They try to put and make you see that the opposite, but on the positive side.
Yeah.
So make you see life from the other angle of positivity. Now what they inspire me to create most of my contents. And now make it say and say my content don't be that type people say just this stereotype. My content you will see different styles of the billionaire lifestyle, different things. Don't be just say come they do skits. You will see interview, you will see drama, you will see motivation, you will see the lifestyle. So now it's just a motivate all these things join together and make this thing they come out fine.
So speaking about this lifestyle, for the fact say you be actor, you be singer, you know, you be comedian, you be stand-up comic and everything. Speaking about this billionaire lifestyle, you get where you go learn them, you go read about them, or you go how you take enter the character so well it can be your personal character.
Okay, first of all, my brother, the first way they look like this, me a better street man. I don't do for streets where I don't do entertainment. I don't study the terrain. I don't know how to relate with people. You they get. For me, I'm a very wonderful social networker. I know how to network with people. So as the character starts, as time goes on, it they develop. I make my researches. I try to know the character of people we don't make money. Even I follow people especially those ones who be billionaires, those ones who don't make money,
Yeah.
and they check their lifestyle, how then they operate. You understand? So when I don't check them, God don't bless me with platform already. What thing I go do? I will just put them for paper and biro. Immediately bring out something will make sense. And again, as I do this billionaire something all this while, you know, the thing don't help me expose me to a whole lot of billionaires.
Yeah.
Like the real, when they have billionaires, people, men will get money. Like the real ones, outside, let's say, the mindset of being a billionaire. I mean, the people who make the money, will get the money, where they help the poor masses. I've been able to establish communication with a whole lot of them. Like, and it's been an awesome period all this time. So
makes sense.
When I they look, I they check them, when I they close to them, I they know how they reason, I they know how they follow things for society. So now waiting they guide me, they bring up the character every day. Make it make sense.
Makes sense, makes sense. I see so much wisdom behind this character as it be. A lot of research.
I told you
You
that
said
I don't
it.
want to
You said it. You are going to be speaking wisdom.
Wisdom.
Yes, you said it.
Get to the point now.
I get the point. I get the point. So I think I just ask this final one because before we go need to wrap this up here, and before you leave us, you go give us one small character before you go. But the final one, we say, as you carry this as the character, the billionaire Prince White character be, you know, for Nigeria, we'd like to tag characters to physical personality, to real people. So as it be now, shey person don't harass you for road before, say, yeah, billionaire Prince White, that money where they give, we're our own. They don't block you for road before.
Brother, too many times, even up to yesterday, where I go feature for one music video set.
Yeah.
Even up to yesterday, people, you see small young guys, you know, like from different tribes. Billionaire. To see those money where they share.
Give us
today,
money.
you give us our own. Like it happens on the steady, you get.
Yeah.
So, but what I used to thank God, they say, outside the maybe me trying to, even because my person is I'd like to give.
Yeah.
Now make if you see my skit now about even if you like offend me, I will still give you.
Give
you what you expect.
Yeah.
So even at the real life, I try to the little what I get. Anytime they don't front me like that, I will say okay. I am gonna take at least when I use our whole side. You understand? But people, what they guide me to say, people actually understand say what I they do. I comment, what I they do, now acting. You understand? But most times I still know say you get the silent minority where they still look and say, if you check my comment sections at times, you say, this guy must be a real billionaire.
He must be
this
a
guy
billionaire.
Yeah. So that's what the thing just be.
It makes sense. This conversation has been very, very nice. We hope you say as you don't start this movement, the essence behind this whole character where I take home, we say you want to make sure say you change the mindset of the poor masses to start thinking like billionaires, and if they change the mindset, it will come to reality for these individuals. Makes sense. Makes sense. Very, very good. Very interesting. And
now, what to make me create no verse. Now, what to make me follow just my instruction on 1 minute. Now, what to make me, if you check July 3rd, now what to make me create that World Billionaires Day.
Okay.
That thing now what you know day for history, you know day. So by the grace of God, since the platform done day, we're able to build a mindset to let people know say you can celebrate yourself even when you don't get that money and as that real billionaire, you can still celebrate yourself, say you be billionaire. Say today I don't bring that time to celebrate myself. World Billionaires Day. Just like they get Workers' Day, just like they get Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas Day, we will get World Billionaires Day, and every 3rd of July. So people actually bought the idea, and if you see what happened that day, people said the thing passed me, no be small thing. And that day, at the commemoration of my birthday, join the birth of the billionaire. So you see, say even that day, most people they wish me happy birthday. Most people may just talk say Happy World Billionaires Day. Happy World Billionaires Day.
That kind.
We don't create it. We don't create something where we say till we die, go. Our children will continue to.
It go there to live after you. Makes sense. All right. Yes. So before you leave us, just give us small character on top of the level. Make we use and take wrap up this conversation.
You know, my brother, when I keep telling poor masses to pipe low and get to the point, it seems it's very difficult for them. With the way things are going now, my brother, you can see that both the probers and the probees are under probation. And I think we have to relocate the National Hospital and probably the National Emergency Management Agency, at least close to the National Assembly, so that people will not even collapse or pass out because of the little pronouncement of ordinary billions. You get to the point now?
I get the point.
That is just it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Billionaire Prince White. It's been an amazing conversation. We thank you, and we thank you for your time on top of the Good Morning Naija show. I believe, say, your fans, they don't enjoy this one, and they will continue to follow you up for better skits and messages as they pass on.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.